my version of just a quick blueberry compote. It took 5 minutes to make the blueberry compote. Wow. Before I get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I love making these recipes, and I'm forming a community of amazing people who love healthy food. So if you're interested in being part of this community, would you consider hitting the subscribe button down below? It's that little red button. Let's do this journey together. And now let's get started on this next recipe. Okay, you guys, so for the vegan blueberry pancakes, I'm gonna make a quick blueberry compote. All it includes is 1 cup of frozen blueberries, some maple syrup, lemon juice. I've got some cornstarch here and just a pinch of salt, and everything's gonna go into a saucepan. I'm gonna make a super fast blueberry compote. This is optional. You can always just put maple syrup on your blueberry pancakes, vegan butter, coconut whipped cream, which by the way, the coconut whipped cream we are gonna use on the pancakes as well. I'm just gonna load up these pancakes. Anyways, here it is, the blueberry compote ingredients, okay? For the blueberry compote, I'm just using 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and it's just all gonna go into a saucepan. A little bit of maple syrup, some lemon juice to brighten it up, a little bit of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Super simple. And I'm just gonna give it just a little mix. So I'm just gonna leave this on medium low for about 5 to 10 minutes until the blueberries start to cook and bubble and break down. And you could just smash it with the back of your spoon. Gosh, that only took like not even 5 minutes. All right, you guys, so I made a quick blueberry compote. Look at this. And I'm just gonna put it into these beautiful little ramekins, and then, or 1 ramekin, sorry. And then if somebody wants a little bit of blueberry compote for the blueberry pancakes, it's right here. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I just want to eat this, okay. So there you go, the super fast and easy blueberry compote. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.